tell you a story about Class Clown Wiz and a simple sneeze. How hard it was for him to deal with this today. So watch the video and understand how Wiz and the sneeze and what happens. Stay tuned. Thank you. Watch the video. Out.
To start our story, we must start from the beginning. And it all started from Dan singing a special song that everyone loves.
That's gonna last. That's what. I don't think that's gonna last.
But this is the thing. You can try. Hold on, Brandon. This is the thing. The person has a.
She gonna move it. Up, look. She got like you see her.
And after that sneeze, Tay knew he effed up, and it was all bad for Wiz.
Oh, they don't even smile, dog. Been in my mouth, bro.
And after that, I thought it was only right that we interview Wiz so he can tell his story of what happened. That was it, bro. Tell the story.
You sneeze like you retarded. That scared the crap out of me.
It was a bad life experience, bro.
I thought the shit in his mouth was life or death. I was doing my work. Dirty as hell.
It was a sad day for my man Wiz.
No, you don't write on it.
Happened to him, bro. Something bad just happened to him, bro.
How did this make you feel?
And with this little interview me and Dan have with Wiz, we know that he's been traumatized in a way that is unchangeable, and he will forever be scared to sneeze.
Please don't sneeze on my mouth again. I don't want it. You can have it. I don't want it.
No.
Introducing Class Clown Monte. Introduce.
Let's calm down.
Introduce.
Anthony. AKA Wiz. Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
There's been another Class Clown video. This is Monte. I'm out. Y'all know what I got. I ain't playing no game. It's real out here, boy. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you do, it'd be nice if you put a like, subscribe to my channel, and then subscribe to our channel. Get it right. Class Clown. Shout out to Dan. Shout out to Wiz. Shout out to Nate. Shout out to Dreads. Texas boy. Shout out to Tay. Shout out to everybody. You know, y'all keep liking my video. And watch my last video, you won't understand why I got ice cream in my hand right now. Don't play no game. Thank you. Deuces. Oh yeah. I almost forgot the moral of the story. The moral of the story is, don't eat green eggs and hams. Learn from me. Learn from me. Learn from it. Don't eat green eggs and ham. Learn from it. Oh yeah, and close your mouth when somebody sneezes. Come on now. Be smart, dudes. Come on. Yeah. Man, Class Clown, Monte, Class Clown Dan, Class Clown Wiz, and all the Class Clowns. Shout out to y'all. We out. Flex.
Is this thing on? It ain't nothing to that bitch. Okay, cool. I'm out. It's K Camp and you are now rocking my mixtape, my nappy, ho. It ain't nothing to that bitch, y'all. So what you saying, ho? You know I'm the